In this lesson, I'd like to show you how to replace one page in a PDF with another page from another PDF. The tool you'd like to use for this is Organize Pages. I will click the little arrow for my Tools pane, and I'll see my Organize Pages here. I'll go ahead and click on it, and I get a nice thumbnail of all the pages inside my PDF. I don't have to do this ahead of time, but I will go ahead and do this by selecting the page I'd like to replace, and then right up at the top, I will click on the Replace tool. And up at the top it says select file with the new pages. It's only showing me Adobe PDF at the moment, but if I open this up and say all files, it will show me all the files that are available. I'm going to go ahead and click on this image of a crown. I'll go ahead and click on open. It'll convert the image and replace page 5. Now it's telling me, since I'd selected page 5, replace pages 5 to 5 with page 1 to 1 from crown, which only has one page. So I'll go ahead and click OK. It converts the file and replaces it here on page 5. From here, I could just click and drag and move this around if I'd like. If I'd like to delete this page, I can just click the little trash can right on the page. It warns me and then deletes the page. I'll go ahead and close this file. It'll ask me if I want to save changes to Executive Summary PDF before closing. I'll go ahead and say no. And if I come back and open up Executive Summary and go back out to my thumbnails, I can see that I have my page 5 living back here again. This is the one that I deleted just a moment ago. I replaced it. So the changes aren't saved until you actually save the document, and by closing it and not saving changes, I'm able to pull it back in and get that page back. Now, still, another way to go ahead and do this would be to just use your thumbnails over on the left-hand side of your navigation pane. So if I click on my thumbnails icon, I can see my 5 pages out here. And if I click on page 5, I can come up to the tool underneath page thumbnails, on the tool on the left, and I can choose Replace Pages here. It'll ask me where are the files. I'll go ahead and just choose, like before, all files. I'll choose Crown. I'll click on Open. It's going to replace page 5 over here with page 1 from Crown. I'll click on OK. I'll verify, and then it goes ahead and just does the replacement. I can see the different pages out here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and close Executive Summary. I won't save changes. And now it's not saved, and if I go back out here and check Organize Pages, I'm right where I was before.